Ayan guys, samahan nyo kami sa flight papuntang around the world. Farm here guys at Naik, Cavite. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marnado Vlog. And for today's video, we're going to tour around the world. So guys, before anything else, kung bago kayo or napadaan sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marnado Vlog. Guys, samahan nyo kami sa flight papuntang around the world. So guys, dadaan muna tayo ng international airport para mag-register. Tara. Yep.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave, straight notice too. Sneaking like someone down across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Ayan guys, ang aming wristband sa Tourist Farm. Sinong taya? 1, 2, 3. At dadaanan na rin natin guys yung immigration office. Ayan guys. Welcome to Sydney Opera House. So guys, welcome here to the Sydney Opera House in Australia. Suot natin yung ating shades. Wow! Welcome to the Urban Lights here at Southern California, USA. It's the version of Tourist Farm. Yung windmill ng Netherlands. Tayo guys sa Paris, France. Ito ang Eiffel Tower dito guys. Ito na guys yung Merlion ng Singapore. Yung Leaning Tower ng Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa guys. At ito guys ang Ponte Rialto ng Italy guys, sa Venice. Castle guys, Cottage of Seven Dwarfs.
Dito sa Disneyland tayo muna. Oh ayan, magagaling mo lang doon, diba? Okay, saan tayo?
Seven Magic Mountains. Ayan. Guys, welcome here to the Moai Statue of Chile. Here at the Tourist Farm. To the Statue of Liberty guys. So guys, this is the Statue of Liberty here at And guys, we're here at the Pyramid of Egypt. of China. Ayan guys. This is the Aladdin Castle Heights. Guys, welcome here to Aladdin Palace. And guys, that's the Sultan Palace. So that's the Sultan Palace, guys. Mayad Palace, guys. The Dubai Villa. So nandito kami sa Arab country, guys. This is the Aladdin Palace once again. Aladdin Castle, I mean. So yun guys, mga mascot lang dumating. Mascots na dito guys, pwede kayo magpa-pictures. Ito yung pa-bubbles dito guys sa tourist farm. Yung Lilover ng Paris, France. Ayan guys. Guys, yung White House Mansion ng Washington DC guys. Ng Washington DC guys, here at Tourist Farm. Once again, the White House Mansion of Washington DC. Guys, welcome here to Santorini. So dyan kami guys sa loob ng cottage dito sa Tourist Farm. Guys, yung ang Santorini. Ayan. Punta tayo guys sa Greece.
Bakit?
Ito naman guys yung pool dito sa Greece. Oh, try nyo guys. Try nyo na ang Greece pool. Parang pyramid of, parang pyramid din siya guys. So hindi pa siya tapos. The Big Ben guys. Diyan igloo guys. England. Guys, welcome to Korean Garden. Tayo guys sa Brazil. Ayan guys. At may mga Station of the Cross din dito guys. So ayan guys. May mga nagsasalita sa likod ko rin. Ayan. Yan mga Station of the Cross. So ang lawak ng farm na to guys. Christmas Village guys. So maraming tao dito sa Christmas Village.
Saan ka gusto? Ay, sa bahay ni ate.
So this is the domestic airport once again guys. So may mga naka-ready ditong golf car. Kung gusto mong mag-car paikot ng farm. Nakalain mo guys, sinundo pa kami ng banda dito sa domestic airport. So ayan guys, kung gusto nyo sumakay ng train. So of course yung Philippines dito guys. So ito yung mga kubo dito sa Philippines. So, welcome here guys to the Philippines. Ito yung mga kubo. That's the latest update here guys at the Torres Farm. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marnado Vlog.